Very nice budget hotel, close to airport. The staff is very nice, the breakfast is simple and there is a good buffet dinner in the Campanile restaurant next door. Premiere Classe Brest Gouesnou, a budget-friendly haven in Brest, France. Welcome to Premiere Classe Brest Gouesnou, a charming one-star hotel nestled in the vibrant city of Brest, France. With its affordable rates and convenient location, this budget-friendly haven is the perfect choice for both business and leisure travelers seeking comfortable accommodation without breaking the bank. With a total of 51 well-appointed rooms, Premiere Classe Brest Gouesnou offers a cozy and inviting atmosphere for guests to unwind and relax. Each room is thoughtfully designed to provide all the essential amenities needed for a comfortable stay. From plush bedding and modern furnishings to ensuite bathrooms and complimentary toiletries, every detail is taken care of to ensure a pleasant experience. Check-in at Premiere Classe Brest Gouesnou begins from 2 p.m., allowing guests ample time to settle in and start exploring the stunning surroundings. The friendly and attentive staff are always on hand to assist with any queries or requests, ensuring a seamless and hassle-free check-in process. Furthermore, checkout is until 12 p.m., giving guests plenty of time to pack up and bid farewell to this delightful hotel. Please note that Premiere Classe Brest Gouesnou has a child policy in place. While children are welcome to stay at the hotel, there may be extra charges involved. It is advisable to contact the hotel directly for more information regarding the specific child policy and any additional fees that may apply. Rest assured, however, that the hotel's warm hospitality and comfortable amenities make it an ideal choice for families looking for affordable accommodation in Brest. Discover the charm and affordability of Premiere Classe Brest Gouesnou, where comfort meets convenience. Book your stay today and experience the best of Brest, France without breaking the bank. Unwind and enjoy at Premiere Classe Brest Gouesnou's entertainment facilities nestled amidst a lush garden. Premiere Classe Brest Gouesnou offers a range of entertainment facilities that will make your stay truly enjoyable. Whether you are looking to relax, have fun, or stay active, this hotel has something for everyone. Step into the hotel's inviting outdoor swimming pool, where you can take a refreshing dip and soak up the sun on the comfortable loungers. The pool area is surrounded by the beautifully landscaped garden, creating a tranquil oasis where you can unwind and escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life.